Welcome back to my channel. Dear traders, trading is the first step toward your brighter future. So, today I am going to have backtesting of CrownPrince MT4 EA. My dear traders, we are offering it for only $20. Link is in the description below. My dear traders family, I also have a New Year offer for you, membership plans. Now you can get instant access to our all EAs and indicators. We are offering 3 different plans. $99 for 1 month membership, $299 for 6 months and $499 for a year. Choose yours. Contact me on Telegram for further details.